everybody, I'm your English teacher. My name is Jivin Sekvan. Today we have, again, Unit 4, but our lesson is about grammar. It's about forming adjectives, يعني صفات، تشكيل صفاتها. صفات بالإنجليزية أمي أنا إيرو تشكيل سر بشتغل شوارع. So, let's talk about the typical adjectives endings. صفات هنا يعني الإنجليزي دتني تيب هنا توانا ببينن توزانه أفقتنا هني صفية. وقتها مجور حاضر كريه مدانين الفيدا ل مناقش دانية يعني محركة مناك كتانية سردانية. لت برتو كدش خال زيدي مناك كيدانه ونقارن ليفا قارن. يا بشي مناك سردانية أذكارن بيجو. يعني جينا آبشية از بيجم كيميكال عاد دوائية أب منا كافرة هنزي بينا جورة دين مجور capable أجورة أزل بيدا AL أم كارن دينن كيميكال جارك دز دوباركم أبدأ هاني those endings when you saw these endings they are typical adjective endings in English okay so able وقت بيجي capable شوك مش ورقول زي دي مناك كده برتوكيد هاي وون كارن اللي بقرن وأنا قلك داني understandable capable readable incredible أو قهنا ليه تاني مجوار capable داني وون كارن أبي بيجي بقرن and AL يعني L chemical full beautiful أفقولنا أنا همي صفانة داويا وانا چته أفقول تيبا أنا ببدور داويا وانا تي صاني جو صفاي الفيدا artistic attractive restless dangerous So, some adjectives can be identified by their endings. Typical adjectives endings with those. نموذجي صفة نموذجي اللغة الإنجليزية دائما منتهية بيكي جوان جروبي تيبا بهفتورة. لذا تشتتي خستن فهم جرنافي. So, it's not required to understand all of this. You have to memorize in here. دفقت أسبر بك. تاني حافظ شتاتي خاصة الفيدا. دفقت وانا حافظ بك. Let's start to the second paragraph about forming adjectives. Sometimes when adding these endings, changes have to be made. دفجت جارنا وقتا أم فان نهاياتي هاني أم بسر الكلمات إذا تكون حطاقود بصفة هناك تغيير شيء مجور الفيدا جيفام دانية مثلا y full us مثلا ic أنا قشتك أب endings بسر قوتنا فب جارنا تغيير شيء وجارنا شيء نابه. So let's start with the nature. So here we have the word nature. Nature ends with e. When we make it an adjective, we add al to the end of that word. When we add al, we have to wrap e. E حذف ذكر. إذن شو تغيير دبي كلمة تشيبو وقتام كر صفة؟ م al بذكر al مشكر م e حذف كر. So there are some changes. It have to be made in these words. Again, you have to memorize all of this. Why? We have the word ice. Again, it ends with the e. When I make it an adjective as a y pivotal, okay? I will add y to the end of the word. Again, we have e at the end. We have to drop e and it will be icy. Full. The word is beauty. Beauty, again, it ends with y. Here we have a word ending in y. when I will change it into an adjective, I will add full at the end of this word. When we add full to this word, we have to change y into I. إذا مشكر أبغتنا هاني y بداوي دبو واختاس بكم صفة از فول بيبكم واختاس فول بيبكم از نكارم هما تاني فول دين طنشتا بيوتي جبرقو بواي بداوي دبن از واي بكم I. الفيدا هواي بوچه بو I. الفيدا ما جو إي درن الفيدا شي إي درن الفيدا واي دبچه واي دبن I. أم دا كبن آده مايستري ديسا بواي دسبت داوي دبن أولو از مايستري بكم صفة بس چه بيبتكم I أو US أم زبي ending بيبتكم في نهاية هاني بيبتكم ديسا واي دبچه واي دبن I. So again the word mastery it ending with y. When I have to change it into an adjective, I have to change y into I. As y become I. It will become mysterious. I. It replaces y. Finish. The last one, we have the word history. History, again, it ends with y. So, when I make it into an adjective, I will again change the y into I. So, history, it will become historic. Historic. Here we have I instead of y. Lisa, ما قلت نادا ويجي تغيير ده تشدبه جبرقو بواي داويد به از كيجان نهاية بيفكم إك نه إك أف إك وقت أس بيفكم چنا بزواي وكوي بهلم أس چتكم جواي y as دكم I. So those about the changes happening to some words when we make it adjectives or we change it to adjectives. Let's move to the adjectives formed from different words. They can be formed from nouns, they can be formed from verbs, they can be formed from an adjectives themselves. يعني صفة جل كلمات الإنجليزي تشدبه صفة هنج اسم تشدبن اسم مركاربك الصفة صفة هن جفعل تشدبن صفة هنج صفة بخو تشدبه صفة يو صفتك دجي جي تشدبه. So let's have an example about all of this. But as I told you, we have many examples in the book. I just write one example. يعني تنمي مناك قدامي الفيدا ليه والبرتوكي بقرن هذه يجبان خلا زدي مناك كل سرهاي. So let's start with the adjectives from noun. Here we have noun and adjective. Noun is a danger. Danger. So here we have danger as a noun. Dangerous. مختص بكم صفة بتشن dangerous. شو بيفيد بن؟ We add this I-O. So we have O-U-S. Sorry. O-U-S. This ending is to make an adjective. Again, we have many examples. I will just read some of them. Accident, accidental. So here we have, or we added AL. Danger, I wrote it here. Dangerous, length, long. Star, starry. Wind, windy. This is about noun. Now, let's move to the adjectives that formed from verbs. Here we have a verb as help. An adjective, we have to add full. It will be helpful. Helpful. Helpful, it means مساعد. Help شيء يساعدنا. أليكاري. أليكاري يدك الفدا helpful يعني شيء أليكارة. Helpful أليكاري يعني أليكاري. So about verbs, let me just read them, enjoy. Again, it's a verb. It will be enjoyable. When we make it into an adjective, enjoyable. متشبدا وياوي نفكر able, enjoyable, helpful, obey, obedient, playful, talkative. Now, let's move to the our last adjectives, which are formed from other adjectives like this one. So we have adjectives from adjectives. We have adjectives that formed from other adjectives like correct, corrective. So here, correct again, it's an adjective. And we have corrective, again, it's an adjective too. لذا صفة هنج صفة شدبة وقت comical, correct, corrective, elderly, ambition, reddish, sickly. همو صفة دجوان شدبة. ربلا بنجوشش حمي مناكن از ناخن بنا تاني بس جواتي خندن ونبخنن ووك من جوار بود داويا وانا دويق ون فان adjectiva از بربكن يعني جيب كماني او تيبي داوي قتين وقوتني تكن صفة دويق وان تيبا از بربكن جوانا والناس بكن اب قوتنا الجمتا قالوا شيء verb يعني noun يعني جي adjective. So let's move to the page 57. 57, it's a group of words. You have to choose adjective from each of the following groups of words. Okay? Let's start with number 1. First of all, I will clean my board to write down the answer. We have to choose the adjective. Okay? Let's start with the number 1. Number 1, I will read the group of words. The first one, A, inventive. B, invent. C, invention. We have the first one is an adjective. Again, I hope you will answer before me. I will give you the answer, but I hope you will have an answer before I give you. Okay, so the adjective is number 1, page. I will write down the page here. Page 57. Rupala page haft. آية كية. برسباراس چية؟ A. So the word is inventive. Inventive. Second one, I will read the group of words and you have to try to answer before me. The first one, curiosity, curious, cursive. Which one is the adjective? The first one, curiosity, is a noun. Second one, curious, is an adjective. So, curious. B, number 2, B. Okay, ending with I-O-U-S. Number 3, strength, strong, strengthen. The first one, strength, is a noun. The second one, strong, is an adjective. And the third one, strengthen, which ending with en, it's a verb. So the right answer is B, strong. B, again. Our adjective is strong. Strong. We have R here. Strong. Number 4, A, long, B, length, C, lengthen. Again, it's similar to the previous one. Long is an adjective. We have the second word, length, is a noun, and lengthen, ending with en, it's a verb. So the first one is the right answer. A, long. We finished the first paragraph or the first exercise. Now let's move to the next one. Form adjectives from the following nouns. Now here we have nouns. We have to form an adjectives from those nouns. The first one, smell. It will be smelling. Okay, I'll clean my board to write down here the answers to be clear for you. I will write down here. Okay, so the first noun is smell. What it means, smells? Smell? No. So the second paragraph, again page 57, we have again 4 sentences or 4 nouns. We have to form adjectives from those nouns. The first one we say the smell. The adjective from smell is smelling. Second one, loyalty. Loyal. Third one, faithful. Fourth, energy, energetic. Sorry. Again, here we have energetic. Sorry, I forget E. I have to clean and write it again to be clear. Energetic. The third exercise. Again, third exercise in the same page 57. Again, we have 4. Here we have verbs. We have 4 verbs. We have to form adjectives from verbs. The first one, differentiate. The adjective is different. Sorry. Second one, generalize. General. Third one, practice. Practical. Four, ignore. Ignorant. Now, we have the last exercise, last paragraph. We have adverbs, and we have to make adjectives from adverbs. Again, same page 57. We have 4 adverbs. We have to change it into an adjective. The first one is well. It stays as the same word, well, and again, generally, general, and we have the third one, socially, social. The fourth one, the last adverb is slowly, slow. Now, so When someone asks you to form an adjective from adverb or verb or noun, simply use a dictionary. Use a dictionary. Okay? يعني كنت بخازن تشيك تكرر راجع قاموس وتشيك. تكتب خازن محلين جبرجو بريفا قطنا هربتون نزانن بصفة جيتشير جبوك تشيك تكرر راجع قاموس ليفا جرن وتشيك. Now we finished our lesson. This is all about forming adjectives. Thank you for listening. Good luck. Bye bye.